Hi, I'm Tobi Kahn. I'm honored to be here at SAR Academy to make tzedek boxes. It's a new ritual that just started recently. Tzedek box is a box. You can make it yourself. And what you're doing is saying what you want to accomplish for that year. You open it up once a year on Pesach Sheni, and you look at what you wrote and you see, did I accomplish what I wanted to accomplish for this year? So it's an art piece. And I think this box can help you think about what you can do to make this world a better place. I don't even know where to start about how much I adore SAR. So when Sharon Black said they're opening up a gallery, would I do a show here? And I said, definitely. But I want to do it with a workshop. I won't just do the show without a workshop. I really think it's important for people to make things, not only look at my things. My fantasies, everyone thinks about creating their own ceremonial objects. Anything you make, it feels much more powerful if it's something you made rather than you bought. I think visual thinking is such an integral part of Judaism that I think there has to be a place in every Jewish school to think about visual education. Everyone learns in many different ways, and I think when you see something, you learn very differently than when you hear something or you read something. So having a space to look at art, to me, is so crucial and is not an extra, but another valid way of seeing the world. Make great things. Don't think art is something that you can't do. Everyone can create art.